Remember, most buyers form their first impression while viewing them online.
Today, we are sharing the 5 home updates that consistently help sellers maximize their sales price without overspending. This is something we help clients with every single week. And a lot of homeowners are really surprised when they learn they don't need to do a full renovation to make a strong impression on buyers.
Exactly. And we want to focus on updates that are realistic, things that do not require months of major work, major construction, just easy improvements that increase buyer interest and perceived value. Because buyers pay for how the home feels, not just for the materials inside.
So the first big update is paint. Paint has one of the highest returns because it instantly changes the way a home feels. Buyers often walk in and say it feels clean or it feels bright, and that is a direct reaction to the paint color and the finish.
Yeah, we usually recommend warm, light neutrals, nothing too stark white because that can feel cold. Not the darker grays that we used to see trending a few years ago. Something soft that works with natural light and the flooring in the home.
Paint also helps recreate flow. Many homes have different paint colors in every room, especially homes that were built in the late 90s or early 2000s. So when you unify paint color, the home will look larger, more modern, and more cohesive in the photos.
Yes, and remember, most buyers form their first impression while viewing them online. So paint that photographs well gets you more showings, and more showings will increase your chance of strong offers.
Paint is not just cosmetic, it directly affects the number of buyers who decide to come see your home in person.
Second update is lighting and hardware. This is one of those more affordable ways to create a modern, well-cared-for feel.
Think about swapping out the dining room chandelier is a good one, replacing those basic dome lights with some flush mounts, or updating bathroom vanity lights. These fixtures show up almost in every photo, so this matters.
Yes, hardware's idea, cabinet pulls, door handles, faucets. If they are original to the home and they look a little worn or dated, buyers will notice.
We're not talking about replacing every fixture, just the ones that make the biggest visual impact. So a few hundred to a couple $1,000s can go a really long way in this department.
Yes, and these updates really signal to the buyers that the home has been thoughtfully maintained. It creates a confidence, and that confidence leads to stronger offers.
So our third update that we'll talk about is curb appeal. This sets the emotional tone before the buyers even step inside the home.
Yeah, this is usually really quick to accomplish. Just fresh mulch, which smells great, just kidding. Trimmed beds, a clean walkway, and just a swept porch and nicely painted front door. That is enough to make a clear difference.
Buyers want to feel welcome. They want to feel that the home has been cared for because that suggests that the rest of the house has been maintained too.
Yeah, we also pay attention to how the exterior looks in listing photos. So the very first image online is usually the front of the home. If that photo looks clean and inviting, more buyers are going to click in to view the rest of it.
And the more buyers who click, the more likely you are to get those showings. And the more showings we have, that leads to better offers. So curb appeal is not just aesthetic, it supports demand.
And fourth update is the flooring continuity. When a home has multiple flooring types, it can make the layout feel broken up.
Sometimes we are simply removing some aging carpet in high traffic areas, and sometimes it is replacing one room to match the rest of what you have going on, but it doesn't always mean replacing everything.
So what we are aiming for is just a visual. Flow helps the home, again, feel larger, cleaner, and more updated.
So buyers notice transitions between flooring materials. If those transitions are uneven or abrupt, it signals this place needs some work. Our goal is to remove the work list from the buyer's mind. The fewer items they mentally add to that list, the more confident they feel in making a stronger offer.
And the last update is kitchen and bathroom refresh, not remodel, a refresh.
So this could be swapping in some new mirrors, adding some modern faucets, cleaning and recaulking grout is a big one that makes a big difference, and then updating hardware. If the shower glass is cloudy or dated, you need to clean it or replace it or get it professionally restored.
Yes. These spaces matter. This is where buyers emotionally imagine themselves. They picture their morning routines, their kids getting ready for school, their weekend breakfast routine.
So our goal is to make these spaces feel clean, functional, and again, easy to maintain. Not perfect, just invite.
And we know preparing a home can feel overwhelming. You do not have to figure it out all on your own. We are here.
We walk your home with you and we create a personalized plan. We help prioritize based on budget and timing. And we have contractors we trust to get the work done smoothly.
Yes. So if you're thinking about selling soon, or even if you're just thinking, something you might consider in the future, reach out to us. We are happy to walk you through your best options. And if you enjoyed this video, just make sure you subscribe to our channel and give us a thumbs up. Talk to you soon.